Welcome back to the third day of our look at how dentists define success for themselves and their practices. Today I want to look into the future of how your life could be. Stay tuned. Welcome to Patient Attraction episode 450. This is our week-long series on questions you should know the answers to before stepping into any kind of marketing or advertising for your practice. Now, more importantly, they're questions that you should know about how you define success and what you're willing to do to get there. First, we've talked about your motivation in your practice over the last 2 days. And that's kind of the why and the what questions. Today, I want to look at where, as in where do you want to go? A couple of questions I like to ask prospective clients is where you see yourself in 1, 3, 5 years or more. This gives me a great idea of how big are your goals, how aggressive you want to get there, and how good you are at planning and implementing. Have they thought that far ahead, or what detail are they wanting to get to? Our patient attraction systems can do a lot of things, but it can't read your mind. And once I get a broad idea of where a dentist wants to be in, say, 1, 3, or 5 years, then we can get into specifics of laying out an action plan of getting to those goals. What do we need to change immediately or in the next 12 to 18 months to make those goals happen? What do we need to keep the same over that same time frame because it's just where the dentist wants it? And let's look at specific areas. Frankly, how much do you want to be working? How much do you want to collect each month? How much do you want to take home each month? What types of patients do you want to work on? Or what types of procedures do you want to be doing? Do you still want to be bent over a chair, or do you want to be supervising associate dentist? How many offices are you looking for? And that's just about the practice. What about the things that really matter? How much time do you want to be able to spend with your family, your kid's soccer game? How can you provide for your retirement and your children's education? How much time would you like to be able to spend away from your practice every week? If you want to know how I help dentists attract more and better patients and live the life that they deserve, check out my latest book. It's free, by the way, for a limited time while supplies last. It's $4.97 just to cover the cost of shipping to your door. You can get a copy of Attract More Patients in the next 6 months than in the last 6 years by visiting www.moreandbetterpatients.com. Come back tomorrow. I want to talk more about the idea of how you spend your time. Until then, keep moving forward.